Let me introduce myself. My name is Maulana Habib Hidayat. You can call me by Maula. I am from Pintu Gerbang Street, and now I will tell my exercise speaking about experience. I have so many experience for myself, but I will tell just one only about my experience about traveling with my family. Last week, I went go to Bali with my big family for hang out with my big family in there. In there, I go there uh, just 4 days, and I hang out with my family. So many my family in there, but my family from Banyuwangi. There is my family from Malang and Bali and Madures. And I go there without I hang out with my family. I what it is? I go around with my family also. I go to oh, Lot Lot Tangalot, and I go to what it is? Melasti Beach and Pandawa Beach. Pandawa is beautiful for all, and Melasti Beach so many foreigners in there. Uh, if you have exercise for look for foreigners like last years when I have exercise for look for foreigners. Maybe you can go to Bali for talking with foreigners, because in Bali so many foreigners. Uh, After I go to Bali, uh, of course, I bring box. My box is very sick. My box sacred for I give to my friends and my family too also. My friend, I, sorry, I find I find foreigners in there. This what it is? We this he is William family, and Williams and uh, what is it? I have introduction with him. He go to Bali with children and with William Big's family, and there is children. There is William mother and William father, of course. And I ever talk with talk with Williams. William same with me just the first time he go to Bali, and I asked to William like this, Williams, you want back to Bali? William say yes. I will back to Bali because Bali is very beautiful. William from Australia, but in Australia there is no like that. William said, maybe uh, just Indonesian people want go to Australia, but Australia person want go to here. What it is? Ke Bali. Maybe just like that for me. When I go to Bali, so many experience when go to Bali, but I don't know what will I say like that. Thank you very much. Maybe if I have mistake, I'm so sorry. Uh, yes, just like that for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you.